Hey everyone, it's Jonah Manzano here. I hope you're all having a great day or night, wherever you are. In today's video, I'm excited to share with you a brand new feature that Instagram announced last week. It's called Clip Hub, and I'm going to show you how to use it when creating Reels. Let's dive in. Alright, so first things first, what we're going to do is to create a Reel, okay? From that plus sign, just normal creating Reel. And you can see like you have a camera on the left side, you have Clip Hub, you have trending and templates. What we're going to choose is Clip Hub. All right, so here you can search Giphy, reactions, transitions, TV and film, music, greetings, memes, trending, and so on. Okay, so what we're gonna choose is memes. All right, so from here you can just simply select whichever you like. Doesn't really matter. So we're gonna pick this. All right, so that's it. So you can press next. Now if you want to add more, just edit video and you can add more clips. You can add more Clip Hub, you can add your existing video, it doesn't matter, and just press next. Obviously you just have to rearrange them depending on your needs. So a very pretty cool feature that Instagram actually announced, and it is now rolling out to some creators. If you have it or not, let me know. Otherwise, you just have to update your Instagram app. If you don't have, you just have to keep waiting and hopefully you will see it. Anyway.